This is a neem tree. Neem has a very much quality of medication. I mean, in India, this especially in our state in Odisha, we are just using these leaves as a medicines, like that powder, the neem powder, neem leaves powder, and neem barks, and also neem seeds as a oil. We are using this like if we have any kind of skin problem, or we have any kind of irritation, skin rashes, anything.
So the neem tree is kind of a miracle tree, isn't it?
Yes. अरे तुम से जिनसा कहब आ किसी नहीं ना
मलेरिया हेले देह गुड़ पीड़ा होची जर होची गरम देह रहीकि शीत लगुच मुंड बिंधुची गोड़ हाथ बिंधुची आपर भी यही रोगटा मेडिसिन खाई भल हो जाऊँगी हॉस्पिटल जावाक पड़ुची हॉस्पिटल जीवारू भल रोचे देह आउ जते वर्ष हेले भी आउ ये रोग न आसू.
During COVID, we visited this village. During that period, there was a lot of problems. We started with COVID relief distribution in the village. Then second time when we came, they said that we are suffering from malaria and also other diseases. So there is no health services in the area. Can you do something for malaria prevention, TB prevention and other disease prevention programs? Odisha is second highest in malaria prevalence rate, next to Madhya Pradesh in India.
Temple Sunadei, okay, which is our forest goddess. So every time we are passing here, we just stop and say a little prayer. पत्र आलू बैगण पकेकी सेटा ही रोज But they are collecting the neem barks, neem seeds, and neem leaves also. Okay, because they this is particular the most valuable thing for everyone, which is we can call natural medicine. Like neem barks, they can use this for their naturally in that the itching or any kind of skin disease, rashes, everything. They can use these barks to boil boiling in water overnight, and after that they can bath. They can take a bath. And for leaves, they took the leaves from the trees, and also they can use them as a smoke. बुला 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 हमें बुलाओ जल्दी नॉर्मली घरे जंते दियंती सेवला बुले दिया हला गछ तो याडा खाली ए रास्ताडा एबे कोदले सेही पर रही भीतर भीतर गुडे पछड़े सेही पट अछि रोड साइड नाही हां रोड साइड अछि हां ए रोड साइड कोन हुए चल किलो 200 ये तो पाड़े से तुम जानो पाकल है जे पाछी रे पाछी ले से
This is a forest area, and neem trees are plentifully available everywhere. Even if in every house also they have a neem tree. So last year we collected 1,000 kilogram of neem seeds. This year we have a plan to collect at least 10 quintals, 10,000 kilograms of neem seeds, and to produce around 3 quintal of Nimala oil. And we are targeting to cover 25 villages, 25 tribal villages, by providing them Nimala oil.
Cari.
गुरु भावचेटा साइन करे दे आने अपन को यस यस
तो आपको ये मन देखा मैं बुलाड़ा ये आप ये करो मैं कंपनी यार चल पड़ी है हां तो देखिए
We have 3 groups basically. One group is productive group. I mean, they collected neem seeds, And another group is this packaging group. Okay, they are doing packaging, bottling, labeling. Okay, so now the group with me, they are bottling this oil. They fill oil with this in this bottle and labeling them.
ନାଇଁ ତମେ କହୁନ ଆଉ ସମୟ ଟିକେ ବାହାର କରି ପିନ୍ଧିଥିବ ବୋଲି
ଏତେ ସମୟ ଦେଇଛି ଗୋଟେ କହିକି ଆହୁରି ପୁଣି କେତେ ସମୟ ଦିଆହେଲା।
ଦିଦି କ ମାସରେ ଆଣିଛ?
ହଁ
ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ହବ
ନାଇଁ
ବଡ ମାସରେ ହବ ଦି ଜଣ
ନାଇଁ ହବନି ପରା ଛୋଟିଆ ଛୋଟିଆ ମଶା ଗୁଡା। We are going to distribute this kit for our pregnant and lactating mother and also the mother of 1 or 2 year baby. बस से ठिपरे गोटे ठिपरे पानी साबास एते एक्साइटमेंट कोन एते खुशी तमर ना तेल गोटे आस्ते रे आ एटा भी डोली जोड़ याको डालिले हां 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 बाबू हां सेथरे ताको मिसे दियो आगो मिसा गोटे पानी थाओ बर्तमान आगो लगाओ
तेलटा बहुत ये अच्छे
सेटा देखो
मोटा
बस 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 सती हां सती एवढा लगेबो आ डायरेक्ट लगे परिबो कि तो डायरेक्ट जदी समति पोड़ा पोड़ी कला कि कोन पानी मिसै कि लगेबो जेतो डायरेक्ट पेड़ा तेलटा एटा
खाली भाबिली लगी ओल तर खाली नाही असले पचारी नाही सेमिति भी लगे हो ना पानी देगी करून तो तेल भलिया वासना
बासना तो एक कोन भाषा रे कोछि
लगा 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 मो हाथ
आउ थरे नेला बेले पैसा देके ना
एटा पता कोनु एटा पे पैसा नाही एटा मन जाने पैसा नहीं लगेबो मलेरिया हो जाए
पाटरे लगे तो ना
सभापति पाटरे लगे भल टे
अरे जो कला दाग
जंगल आड़े बेसी जाउची सब दाग होइची
हाथी पाती
हाथी गोड़ जाउची जणे जणे हेगुला भारी सासी
निम्बो छाड़ी के
निम्बो छाली छोड़ी के आनसिला कुड़े जाई मां हंगुला रिगलंगी जाती को ए लोग थोड़ा मसाला करो घरा बनना मां हंगुला
they are saying that she is Ma Hingula. She is so strong and so brave. I can't say that Nimola oil is completely prevent malaria. What we are saying that Nimola oil is only helpful against mosquitoes. Malaria is just like any other problems too. They're just like a hygiene problem. Before they did not care about the menstruation hygiene, like except the sanitary pad, they using the cloths, which is not good for them. We are just suggesting that you whenever you come to the field, so you just clean your hand and take a bath. You can put the oil some in your body and just keep the applying and just leave it. And they are doing this as regularly. we can say that it can be a good habit. Like if they use this in regular basis, take bath, and after that they just changing the pads and everything, even it's a complete process.
Faut ouvrir le verre aussi.
Pourquoi? Juste pour les 3 feuilles.
Ouais, il faut le faire. C'est le logo. Ok.
ପିଠେନୁ ଗାଣ୍ଠି ମାରା ବୁଲି ଏଇ ପଡ଼ାକୁ ପିଡ଼ା ଲାଗେ ଏଇଟା ହାନା ନାହିଁ କଣ ଲେଖା ହলো ମୁଁ ଜାଣି ଏଇଟା ଉପରେ ଲେଖା ଅଛି ଯା କୋଇ ପଚାରି ଦେଖି ପଚାର ମୁଁ ବୁଝି ପାରୁନି କଣ କୋଇ ପଚାର ହାତ ଏଟା ଏ ବି ତୁ ଧୁନା ରେ ଆଇବେ ନା
गोड़ा तो फुली जाए।
हाँ गोड़ा तो फुली जाए।
ओके अच्छा तो तमे सेटा माने आउ देह तो थरे जमती
देह तो भी थोड़े ना।
okay yes he is saying that malaria has a serious problem. It's a serious disease. Okay, and she went to the hospital for any other work, but she has seen any other malaria patients also. So she's saying that malaria patients are facing the vomiting and also the severe headache, and their body like legs and hands are just shivering so much.
So she saw that at the hospital.
Yes.
And how did she feel when she saw that?
She is saying that she is scared.
तुमको सत मते मिछ
अच्छा सेमिति कोन म उल्टा कहजु तुमको मिछ मते सत
हां हां सेही था मुसे कथा कहजु कोन होई छि तोर आज हम आसिला लगु हां सेनु तीनाथ बाजाठी हां
टनी गुली
गोटे कांकड़ को 10 जन लोक ता टेकी देई जाल गोटे कांकड़ 10 जन लोक टेकी देई जाल थांती
Actually they play a story about it, that how malaria and how malaria is spread, and also how neem oil is effective for all. So through the story they use some jokes, some funny parts about it, so people are like it.
Did you like it?
Yes, I like it. Is trees promote the biodiversity and also for the climate change, and even the animals like the seeds also. The forest guard, forest department, when we meet them, they say that when animals also need something medicinal thing, they also need these seeds. I like these people because of their innocency and the knowledge they have regarding the forest, the trees, and also they all are very much friends, each other. whenever you talk to them, just maybe you are new or coming from the outside, but still whenever you are just sitting with them 1 minute or 2 minutes, and you will see that how they become the friends with you, and they're just close to and share every problem whatever they have.
I like the tribal people very much. Even if I want to dedicate my life for the tribal welfare of our society, and I like to stay with them, work with them, and also do something for the tribal people. Actually, their dress code, their way of living, their food habit, all are very useful, very attractive, and very interesting. I want to also adopt the same thing in my own house, so that I'm thinking, and even my family members are also very much impressed upon the tribal culture and tribal way of life. So they are teaching that protect your environment, be climate resilient, use the organic manures, don't use pesticide, and produce the organic vegetable, organic products, and live very simply. Don't be so materialistic. That is their thinking, and I also want to say the same thing to the whole world.
Burubunga, nari podi kampo dollara podela chuchura.